Hello, welcome to our news channel. There is an amazing news for you. It's about a carnival, yes, Fest and Feast. English Carnival hosted by GLP Smilam. The festival aims to improve English language learning. Food court, shopping mall, game corner, balloon man, magic shows, etc. are waiting for you. Adipya Grama Panchayat Vice President Renuga Ma'am, Block Member Vijaya Nayar Sir, made the celebration grand.